Good morning, children. Let us start today's class. We have already seen the formula for area the minor segment, area the major segment, and two examples we have already seen. Just I'll revise that what is the formula we have learned. Area of the minor segment equal to theta by 360 into pi r square minus r square into sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, or we can say r square common theta by 360 into pi minus sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Then what is the next formula we have studied? Area of the major segment equal to pi r square minus area of the minor segment, that is complete area of the circle minus area of the minor segment, right? So then we have learned about the values of sine theta and cos theta with respect to the angles 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Sine values are 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Similarly, cos theta's 1 starting from 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. So I think all of you learned that what is the value for sine theta and the cos theta. Then only this type of the questions we can do easily. Right? Now already we completed two examples. Now let me continue with the third example. Okay. The next question. Find the difference of the areas of two segments of the circle formed by a chord of length 5 centimeter and subtending an angle 90 degree at the center. Once again the question, find the difference of the areas of two segments. So what we have to calculate? Area of the minor segment and area of the major segment, then its difference. Difference of areas of the two segments. Now what is given in the question? Chord length is given. What is chord length? 5 centimeter. And subtending an angle 90 degree at the center. That means theta equal to 90 degree. So compared to the previous questions, that means last class questions, the radius is not given here, right? It is given that angle and the chord length. So the first we have to learn about how to find the radius. So you can see the diagram. Diagram is already given. 90 degree central angle is marked and the chord length that is 5 centimeter is also marked there. So no radius is given. What is the radius? OA and OB. So OA and OB are the radius. So the first step is that we have to go for the radius only, so that we have to find out that angle O equal to 90 degree only. So Pythagoras theorem. So AB square is the hypotenuse for us. So AB square equal to OA square plus OB square, right? So AB square is 5 square. It is equal to R square plus R square. Then we can find out what is R. What is R there? Because both the values are R square. If you add 2R square equal to 25. What is R there? R equal to 5 by root 2 centimeter. Now once we got R means we can calculate area of the minor segment. So the first step R. The second step is area of the minor segment. So we have written the formula. What is the formula for us? R square into theta by 360 into pi minus sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. R we have calculated just now, that is 5 by root 2 whole square, because R square is the, now pi value is we can use I think pi as a pi only we have calculated. Why? Okay, why we have written pi means here we have to find the difference only. So we will keep area of the minor segment also pi, area of the major segment also pi as it is. If we required lastly we can go. Nothing is mentioned in the question pi value, right? So here pi as it is we are keeping and substituting the values. Theta we know that it is 90 degree, so we are substituting here. So 90 by 360 into pi minus sine 90 by 2 cos 90 by 2 into 5 by root 2 whole square. Next, we have to substitute a 90 by 360. It is 1 by 4 into pi. That means pi by 4 you can see, minus sine 45 cos 45. Sine 45 cos 45 values are 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. The next line we have substituted. After the simplification, it is equal to 25 pi by 8 minus 25 by 4 only. So what we have calculated here, area of the minor segment. Now what is the next step? Because we have to calculate the difference in the segments, so we have to go for area of the major segment only. So area of the major segment means there is no shortcut. We have to use the same formula only. Area of the major segment means complete area circle minus area of the minor segment. That means pi r square minus area of the minor segment. So area of the minor segment previously we have calculated as 25 pi by 8 minus 25 by 4, that we are substituted here. So minus applications, so minus into 25 pi by 4, and here we will get, okay, I think here it should be 4 only, right? It is 25 by 4 only. So here, so we will get 25 by 25 pi by 2 minus 25 pi by 4 plus 25 pi by 25 by 4. After the simplification, you will get 75 pi by 8 plus 25 pi by 4 only. Okay, something. 25 by 2, here 4 only. 4 into 8 is the LCM. Okay, can go for it 20 also. Okay, 5 by 4 into 25 by 8. 25 by 8 is here. Okay, here it is correction. This is 25 by 8. Right? So this is the correction. So final answer is 75 pi by 8 plus 25 by 4 only. Now what is the next required difference? Just to take the major segment and then subtract the area of the minor segment. I directly applied the minus sign there. After the simplification, you will get 25 pi by 4 plus 25 by 8 centimeter square. So once again, I'll go for the question from the beginning. Find the difference of the areas of the two segments of the circle formed by chord length 5 and angle 90. So we have not given radius here. Chord length 5 is given and the central angle theta is given. By using this, we can calculate what is R. R equal to 5 by root 2. What is the next step? Area of the minor segment. Normal formula only. R square into theta by 360 into pi minus sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. After the simplification, what is the answer we are getting? 25 pi by 8 minus 25 by 4 only. What is the next step? Area of the major segment we have to calculate. Pi r square minus area of the minor segments. Here one correction is there. It is 25 pi by 8 only. After the simplification, what you are getting? 75 pi by 8 plus 25 by 4 only. What is the next step? We have to calculate the difference. So both the difference we have to take and simplify. What is the answer we are getting? 25 pi by 4 plus 25 by 2 centimeter square. So we got the answer for this question. A horse is tied to a post by a rope. If the horse moves along a circular path, always keeping the rope tight, and describes 88 meters when it has traced out 72 degree at the center, find the length of the rope. So a horse is tied to the post by rope means rope is our radius now. So we have written here R only. Now the horse moves along the circular path keeping tight and all these things describes 88 meters. So what is 88 meters? That is our arc length. So 88 meter is arc length. What is our central angle? That is here it is say 72. So what is the length of the rope is the question. That means we have to find out what is the radius. So here arc length is given and the central angle is given. Here no minor segment and major segment. This question is based on which one? Length of the arc. So the same formula we are using here. Length of the arc of the circle L equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Right? Substitute the values. 88 is the arc length. The central angle is 72. So 72 by 360 into 2 pi r. So after solving that one, what is the answer we required? R equal to 70 meter. So that is our length of the rope. Length of the rope means what we should calculate? R only. So R equal to 70 meter. Okay. The next question is, a horse is placed for grazing inside a rectangular field 70 meter by 52 meter. It is tethered to one corner by a rope 21 meter. On how much area can it graze? How much area is left ungrazed? So the rectangular field is given. What is the rectangular field dimensions? It is 70 and 52. So length is equal to 70, breadth is equal to 52. And it is tethered to one corner by rope 21-meter long only. That means what is the radius? Radius equal to 21-meter, right? Radius equal to 21-meter. On how much area, how can it graze? Rope length means 21, so R is given, R equal to 21, right? How much area can it graze? So what is the area it can be grazed and what is it can be ungrazed? The question. So see the diagram, you can make out that what it can graze means it is a quadrant only, right? It's a quadrant means it's a rectangle. So what is the theta there? Theta equal to 90 degree, and the radius part is given, that is 21. So the shaded portion is that which is the area which it can graze on. Now let us see the steps. First we are calculating area of the field. Area of the field means area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle equal to L into B. So 70 into 52, 3640 meter square only, right? Now what is the next area of the grazed? That is the second part of the question. Area of the grazed means I already told that it is area of the sector only. Area of the sector means what is the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. So it is equal to 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. So after the simplification you will get 346.5 meter square. Area is left ungrazed means that is unshaded portion in the diagram. Unshaded portion, how we can calculate? Area of the field minus area of the grazed. So it is equal to 3640 meter square minus 346.5 meter square. Final answer is 3293.5 meter square. Once again, what is the question? A hose is placed for grazing inside a rectangular field 70 meter by 52 meter. So length and breadth is given. So area of the rectangle we can calculate. That is the total area available. But what happened to the grazed part? It is a rope is having 21-meter length only. So that area only it can graze. So that much area means from the diagram you can make out that it is the area of the sector. So we are calculating area of the sector by using which formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square, and it is equal to 346.5. Now area is left ungrazed. What is the total area minus area of the grazed? That is equal to 3293.5 meters square only. So we got the second this question answer also. What is ungrazed as well as asked? What is grazed also it is asked. Okay, the next question. OA and OB are mutually perpendicular radii of a circle, and find the area of the minor segment if the perimeter of the corresponding minor sector is 20 centimeter. So this type of the question you should take little care, because perimeter of the corresponding minor sector is given 20 centimeter. Now what is the meaning of OA and OB mutually perpendicular? Means it is equal to theta equal to 90 degree. It is equal to 90 degree only. They are mutually perpendicular, right? OA and OB are mutually perpendicular means the central angle equal to 90 degree. And find the area of the minor segment if the perimeter of corresponding minor sector is 20 centimeter only. So if you know perimeter of the corresponding minor sector means what are the parts it will consider? The two radii, that is OA, OB, then arc ACB, right? Arc ACB means it is L, then the two radii means it is 2R. So L plus 2R equal to 20. That is given in the question. L plus 2R equal to 20. Now from this, what we can calculate, let us see that one. Because L plus 2R equal to 20 means L we are substituting the formula theta by 360 into 2 pi r plus 2R, right? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r plus 2R, we are substituting the values 90 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 plus r plus 2r. Now we have 290 by 360 and 2, it will cancel. Final answer is 1 by 2. The 22 by 7 into r plus 2r. I'm not explaining that much. You can go for r value. What is R value? R equal to 5.6 centimeter. So by using this formula, L plus 2R equal to 20. L value we are substituting, that is area of the sector. Then we are solving for R. R equal to 5.6 centimeter only. Now what is the next part? Area of the minor segment. We know the formula very well. Area of the minor segment equal to R square into theta by 360 into pi minus sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2, right? After that, what is the next part? Substitute the values. Theta equal to 90, R equal to 28 by 5, approximately 5.6. It is written 28 by 5 also. You can write the, now substitute and sine 9 by 90 by 2 cos 90 by 2, that is sine 45 and cos 45 only. That value it is equal to 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. What is the final answer? 8.96 centimeters square. So once again, what is the meaning of the question? Perimeter of the corresponding minor sector is 20 centimeter means L plus 2R is given. L plus 2R, L we are replaced with the formula theta by 360 into 2 pi R. Now what is the next step? Solve for R. So what is the value R we are getting? R equal to 5.6 centimeter or 28 by 5. After getting R, what is the next step? Area of the minor segment. Area of the minor segment formula is R square into theta by 360 into pi minus sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2, right? Substitute the values and we are getting the value as 8.96 centimeters square. So the question is asked, find the area of the minor segment only. So we have calculated area of the minor segment equal to 8.96 centimeters square. Okay. Next question. The length of a side of a square field is 20 meter. A cow is tied at the corner by means of a 6-meter long rope. Find the area of the field which cow can graze. Also find the increasing in the area if the length of the rope is increased by 2 meter. Pi value should be taken as 3.14. Right? The length of the side of the square field is 20 meters. See the diagram, all of you. A square is given, so the side equal to 20 meter only. A cow is tied at the corner by means of a 6-meter long rope. So what is the first length of the radius? It is equal to 6. Now what is the next part? Area will be increased if the rope is increased by 2 meters. So the new radius will be 6 plus 2, that is equal to 8. So two sectors we are getting. The first sector is with the radius 6 centimeter and the second sector with the radius it is equal to 8 centimeter only. Now as you know that it is a square, so the central angle it is equal to 90 degree only, right? So theta equal to 90 degree. So which are the radius there? Two radius are there. R1 as a 6 centimeter, you can take R2 as a 8 centimeter. Now read the question. The length of the side of the square field is 20 meters. So 20 meter is not having any connection for the question. We have to find out what is the area of the field which cow can graze. That means with the length of the rope or radius 6 meter, what is the area it can graze? And when the rope is increased by 8 meter, means 2 meter, that is 8 meter, that time also what is the area, and then we have to calculate what is the difference. So area of the field which a cow can graze is equal to area of the sector formed by the arc only, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. 90 by 360 into 3.14 into 6 into 6, the answer is 28.26 meters square. Now what is the next part? The rope length is increased by 2, so radius is also changed. What is the new radius? 6 plus 2, that is equal to 8. So 90 by 360, no, sorry, 90 by 360 into 3.14 into 8 into 8, that is equal to 50.24 meters square. Now the question is difference. Difference equal to 90 by 360 into 3.14 into 8 into 8 minus 6 into 6. Common factor we have taken in both the cases. Otherwise, answer we are already having. Just to take the difference of that one. 50.24 meters square minus 28.24 28.26 meter square only, right? So the both the case we have already have the answer. What is the answer? 28.26 meter square and 50.824 meter square only, right? Now we have to take the difference directly you can do. Otherwise, if you don't want to calculate the question like this, means you can go for the common factor, that is 90 into 3, 60 into 3.4, and 8 into 8 minus 6 into 6 in bracket. So we can simplify, you will get the same answer only, 21.98 meter square. Okay, now based on the area of the segment, that is minor segment as well as major segment, I have completed the questions, whatever is regarded. So I'm just giving a question for solving. So just to take down the question, all of you, find the area of the major segment APB. Find the area of the major segment APB in the figure of the radius 35 centimeter, angle AOB equal to 90 degree only, right? Okay. I just made unmute to all of you. I gave the question you that you can go for the question and tell me the answer. I'll read the once again. This time area of the major segment is asked, right? Area of the major segment APB and the circle of radius 35 centimeter and angle AOB equal to 90 degree. You can try now. What is given in the question? Anybody can answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, radius and theta.
Radius is given. Okay, good. Radius equal
It
to
is
35 centimeter. What is the central angle?
90 degree,
Nine.
ma'am.
90 degree. Now the question is asked for major segment. So what is the first step?
We should calculate minor segment.
Okay, take your own time and tell me the answer. Minor segment.
1925 by 2.
Okay, then I am not sure about the answer. Okay, minor segment you calculated. Now you can go for major segment.
I'm 2887.5.
2000.
887.5
Okay. Any other
centimeters.
answer anybody's having? No, I'll show the steps. Just to tell me the answers what you have got.
3500.
Okay, two answers are there. Same sum we are doing.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am, wait.
Yes, I'm waiting.
Ma'am, area of minor segment will be 350 centimeter square, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, minor segment 962.5 centimeters square.
Okay, try. Let me
Ma'am,
show the answer last
1625.
only. You just try.
Ma'am,
Otherwise, all the
1625.
Ma'am,
ah,
ma'am, answer is
1625.
Area of major segment
2887.5.
3500.
Ma'am, 2887.5
okay.
centimeters
Okay.
square.
Now let me see the answer.
1625.
I'll show the steps now. Radius 35, angle AOB equal to 90 degree only. Area of the minor segment 350. You have to get. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now area the major segment, it is area the circle minus area the minor segment only. You can use our own formula only. There is no need of going like this also. Area the circle minus area the minor segment. What is the answer? 3500 centimeter square is the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
just
ma'am.
to check your steps, write down the formula once again, substitute calculations you can check. If it is not correct, somewhere you are wrong, and go through the steps once again, right? So with this, today's class I'm winding up. So area of the minor segment, I had given one easy formula. Based on that, you should try. And area of the sector, already we taught both the formulas. Means the what is the formula required for sector and the segment you should study, because the next class we have to go for area the combination of the figures. I just tried one question only today, and now you practice this two sessions, that is area of the sector as well as area of the minor segment, because the next class it is coming combination, and sector is also comes and segment also comes, so both the formula you should study and come for tomorrow's class. So with this, today's class I'm winding up. Thank you.
Ma'am, please show us questions. Like
Ma'am,
I want to take
from
screenshot.
our
I'll show
Ma'am, can you